What's up, everyone? I'm playing Drive Boat 3DC Crimea. Let's do this. I don't know if I want to have a really blurry picture of a guy throwing a noodle at this person, or else if I want to drive headlong into a boat. I'm gonna drive headlong into a boat first. Ooh, I get to choose my weapon of destruction. Let's choose. Oh gosh. Beautiful. I love this. This is great. Ooh, it turned it on. Let's get this thing. Oh, got it. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh. Dang it. Every time. Okay, oh. Okay, let's do it again. I've got more in me, I know it. Such good sounds, too. Okay, let's go. Brum brum. Ooh, avoid the ship. Such a fast-paced game. Look out for that. Oh, I can't even drive into the island. Look out, island here. Oh. Hey, Phil. What's up? Oh, gosh, that was a close one. Dang, man. Well, don't want that. Oh, wow. I don't get it. Why do you have, like, 50 seconds of anticipation? Like, ooh, am I gonna hit him? Oh, phew. Oh, man. Well, I accidentally hit him. Okay, let's do this. Brum, brum. Brum. Why? It's like a chainsaw. It's not a little chainsaw motor. This is a boat. It's got at least 5 horsepower. I'm going 160 miles an hour. That's actually, judging by that, that's about 170. But looking at the screen, I think I'm going about maybe 2.5 if I'm feeling generous. Yeah, no. Wow, such a great game. This is just absolutely incredible. Oof. Awfully close. Can I look around? Can I do absolutely anything? No. Can I turn off the boat? No. Just whale of a time. Do the boats get any faster? Oh my, this is such a bad game. I absolutely love it. I am actually thinking I should speed run it. Oh wait, there's no way to speed run it, cause it doesn't do anything. There's nothing about it. I'll get the world record for it. I think I already have it. I already have the world record because nobody's ever played this game. Not one person has ever played this game. Actually, no, that's not true, because people left comments on it saying how bad it was, which is exactly why I'm playing it. Ooh, look out, boat. Oh. Just beautiful. Okay. Let's... Oh, thanks, Dad. Oh no, the toilet paper ran out. Haha. Cool. Okay, let's throw a donut at this drowning person. Oh. Ooh, I could watch a video to unlock, but no. Okay, what am I doing? What? Wait, what? I thought it was like above the... I thought it was like flying above the water. Oh man, this is so realistic. This is just like boating in real life. Okay. Oh, this person looks like he needs help. Let's go help him. What am I supposed to do here? Well, that was boring. I really wanted to hit him. Dang it. Ooh, there's a rock here. What? Cool. Oh, this is just a blast. Hey, man. I didn't even... Okay, well, great. There's somebody straight behind me. Since I can't turn, I have to compensate. Since this thing has such bad turning. Ooh, is somebody flailing here? No. Wait. No, just a rock. People and rocks look really alike in this game. It's hard to tell. Nope, nope, just a rock again. Dang it. One of these times I'll get it. What am I looking for? Is this island is like... This island of just... rock is like endless. Can't even... Where? Oh, never mind. Oh, I thought it ended. Never mind. Oh, whoa. There's looks like what looks to be like an attempt to make trees, but from here it looks like devils. Nope. Wait. Oh no, they weren't even an attempt to make trees. Now I just look stupid. I was about to go crapping on them. Oh, wow! I just threw a. Can I throw? I have to tap the person. I can't mess up. Such a brilliant game. Okay, I'm done. Bye.